By the end of this video, you will know how to track personal goals in Notion. Open Notion and start by creating a new page that will hold your personal goals tracker. This gives you one dedicated place to review goals, update progress, and keep related notes together. Once the page is open, click New and choose a table database. This table will become the main structure for the tracker, with each row representing one goal and each column storing a different type of information. Next, add the properties you want to use. Create fields for goal, category, status, priority, target date, progress, and notes. The goal property can hold the name of each objective. Category can separate areas like health, work, learning, or personal projects. Status can show whether a goal is not started, in progress, or completed. Priority helps you identify what needs attention first. Target date gives each goal a deadline or review date. Progress can be used to track how far along you are. Notes gives you space for extra details, reminders, or context. With the structure in place, start adding your goals. Click New to create an entry for each one, then fill in the relevant properties for that goal. Add the title, choose the category, set the current status, assign a priority level, and enter a target date if you have one. Update the progress field with the current percentage or stage, and use the notes area for anything you want to remember later. Repeat this process until the main goals you want to track are listed in the database. After that, create multiple views so you can look at the same information in different ways. Click New View and add views such as Table, Board, Calendar, and Timeline. The table view is useful for seeing all properties at once. A board view can organize goals by status or category. The calendar view helps you focus on target dates. The timeline view can help you see how goals are spread across time. Now organize the database using filter, sort, and group. Filters let you focus on a specific category or only goals with a certain status. Sorting can place urgent or high priority goals at the top, or arrange entries by target date. Grouping is useful when you want sections based on category, status, or priority. These controls make the tracker easier to review without changing the underlying entries. Then open View Settings to customize how the database looks. Manage which properties are visible, adjust the layout to suit the view you are using, and apply conditional colors if you want visual cues for progress or status. From there, keep the tracker current by reviewing it regularly. Update progress as goals move forward, mark completed goals when they are done, and add new goals as your priorities change. Your Notion Personal Goals Tracker is now set up and ready to use.